While everybody centers around Bitcoin and Ethereum, different open doors probably won't be on many individuals' radar. The OMG tokens are in the information at their vertical cost expectations and getting more financial backer consideration in view of how they perform contrasted with the opposition. OMG organization is gradually taking off, acquiring market inclusion. The most recent news inclusion of this misjudged coin is getting additional consideration from the market-changing exchanging choices. We should figure out more about the OMG organization project and the story behind it. OMG organization market opinion. The ongoing cost going off is being ascribed to financial backer energy. OMG organization group is carrying out a few new turns of events, which should be visible on their task site. OMG token holders are qualified for Boba administration token, which has been in the news as of late. As per the task site, Boba organization is an Ethereum Layer 2 hopeful roll-up scaling arrangement. The point is to lessen gas charges, further develop the exchange throughput and expand the abilities of savvy contracts. Named Boba organization, the undertaking is a Layer 2 arrangement that will permit exchanges of most cryptographic forms of money to have an installment cycle at a lightning-quick speed. This will expand the perceivability of cryptos as a feasible opponent to Visa and MasterCard. In the event that this innovation alters the way how the world handles monetary forms, it will be the following enormous thing in the fintech world. We should investigate industry specialists and best cryptographic money conjecture stages perspectives on the OMG organization cost expectations. In view of our OMG cost forecasts, a drawn-out increment is normal. The OMG organization cost conjecture for 2026 is $19.23. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 283.72%, as indicated by their OMG cost gauge. The coin could cross $7.30 before the current year's over and $9.67 by 2026. Taking into account OMG has acquired than 200% in 2021 yet is as yet 70% beneath its pinnacle, it has grabbed financial backers' eye. On the off chance that the DeFi and NFT space keeps on warming up and the Boba network turns into a hit with engineers, OMG organization costs could detonate, and its worth could become 10 times by 2025. OMG organization forecasts. Toward the beginning of December 2022, the cost will be around $4.72, a greatest cost of $4.96, the base cost of $4.20 for December 2022. The typical OMG organization cost for December 2022 is $4.58. OMG organization cost conjecture toward the finish of December 2022 is $4.72. As per our specialized examination and figure on past value information of OMG, in 2022, the cost of OMG organization is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $4.98. The OMG cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $5.98 with a typical exchanging cost of $5.14. OMG specialized investigation. On the off chance that we see how well it is doing, the OMG organization cost is at 3 years high, with the ongoing cost exchanging at $5. This high, whenever preceded, can surpass 4 years high in no less than a year. It keeps a decent up-moving business sector. The value history of OMG organization isn't that great in the past 2 years. The cost changes have not been fascinating for crypto exchanging this time period. The drop in cost in 2018 was essentially because of the restricting of OMG digital money in the trades, bringing about high unpredictability at those key levels. With its new high of $5.01 since its underlying stages, OMG organization seems to be a decent chance for brokers. Yet, is it adequate at this cost to purchase OMG Organize? Is the OMG market currently far beyond the best passage point? We should find out with the specialized examination. The ongoing cost of OMG organization is $5.01, with the crypto positioning at number 101. The market capitalization of OMG organization is around $699,630,149.64 and a flowing stockpile of around 140,245,398 OMG coins, which is the greatest coin limit. The most recent 24 hours ups and downs have been $5.10 and $4.80 individually. The gathering has been consistently expanding throughout the past year and is as yet predictable, with the OMG breaking out this moment, beating different conjectures. The ongoing business sector cost shows a positive opinion developing, with the reliable cost volume activity connoted by the green lines on volume. The outline is way over the illustrative SAR, and the amassing dispersion pointer is additionally moving upwards pleasantly. The section for merchants could be the new high-shaped. However, it is smarter to have a decent union and put market orders when the cost drop reoccurs. OMG Organization Value Expectations 2022 to 2026. As the reception rate for Ethereum Layer 2 arrangements keeps on rising, it will be great for OMG Organization too. The OMG cost expectation for 2022 will undoubtedly be great as the value keeps on taking off new high with just about 300% return in the beyond couple of months. The OMG organization gauge is around $5.01 for the time being as the unpredictability hasn't hit its greatest cutoff. In light of the OMG cost expectations, it is a decent long-haul speculation choice. Putting your cash in OMG organization is a decent choice for the future as it has kept an uplifting perspective. OMG Value Forecast 2022. With the OMG cost expectation for 2022 around $5.47, it will probably be the year when the fate of OMG organization will fundamentally ponder the cost graph it structures. The OMG value conjecture of $6.53 is sensibly protected on the off chance that the reception rate proceed. The worth of OMG will increment after some time as it gathers the consideration of the crypto local area. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, the OMG value pattern will keep on reflecting potential gain energy according to our OMG organization conjecture. Consequently, the OMG cost is supposed to reach $6.58 this year. For long-haul OMG organization cost expectations, fundamental specialized investigation is required. Concerning industry arrangements, the OMG token offers a couple. The OMG organization runs a bug abundance program, which rewards software engineers to track down mistakes inside the organization and assists with fixing those issues. This motivator to find issues in the organization makes it very great, as any issues that will be found could be accounted for back to the improvement group, and the issues could be fixed. This will empower the OMG organization to remain protected from bugs over the long haul. OMG Value Forecast 2024. The OMG coin will stay in the vertical cost pattern in 2024. By 2024, the OMG cost is supposed to be around $7.15 in light of our OMG organization cost forecast. The base cost can go up to $6.17 assuming the market stays bullish. On the disadvantage, the OMG organization cost could confront a cost drop, yet it will remain over its help level of $9.13. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2025. In 2025, the future might be great for OMG organization cost as it acquires the reception rates it was searching for. A worth gave to the clients will empower it to remain in the main 50 cryptos in those years. The dangers implied with the OMG are non-existent as it intends to carry out a superior component soon. OMG Organization Value Expectations 2026. It is as yet prescribed to do possess research not to crisscross the individual gamble. The OMG cost gauge framework will have a comment about the cost of OMG organization. However, either exchanging or contributing ought to be done when one knows about the crypto market gambles and the latest thing. What's to come results might be unique. However, every individual's gamble resilience is unique, which makes it different with respect to what a piece of wise